Hello guys, how to fix your tech here today. Now you might have seen my Windows 7 video, Long Live Windows 7, and this was on this computer. But anyway, today I'm just going to fix the issue for you on how to fix your computer just booting straight into the BIOS. Now, sometimes it isn't this fix, sometimes it's a problem in the BIOS, but I should fix that for you today. So what would usually happen is you would turn the computer on. You would, if you have a BIOS password, you would enter it and it would just go straight into the BIOS. You try and fiddle around with it, still boot into the BIOS, and I'll finally figure that out. So, what you want to do is you just want to hold the power button to turn it off. Then you want to take the lid down, unplug it, take out the battery because we are going inside the computer. Sorry if that's inconvenient to you. If your computer has an internal battery, don't try this. Hold the power button down for 5 seconds to just drain the power that's left in it. Alright, take the cover off. I've just put sticky tape on my cover, the good, better tape, so don't get, oh my gosh, with me. So I've got a solid state drive. You might have a hard drive, and the problem is that your hard drive or solid state drive is either dead or loose. Now, if it's dead, you have to buy a new solid state drive. I'll recommend a solid state drive. I wouldn't buy a new hard drive. I'd take the chance and buy a solid state drive. But what my problem was that it was loose, so I had to push it back in. But anyway, what you do is you just mount the hard drive back in, or solid state drive. You probably know how to do that. Okay, mount it in. Put the cover back on. Feel free to pause for the screws, because obviously I don't have to do any screws up. Okay, you might have seen my fix on the motor, man. It's a bit rough, but you know. Alright, insert the battery. Sorry if I'm not giving you a very good view. Probably should have thought about that. Alright, turn it over, plug it in, and your computer should boot into Windows. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. This is why, different video, but this is why solid state drive's good. But thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe. I hope it's helped you out. Most of the time it does. All the BIOS fixes I've found barely worked. I think I just came along. I think I just pushed the hard drive in myself, but you know. Alright, thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe, and see ya.